Hi guys, this is the VIVO V21e and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility. Then tap to S capture, scroll down to screen recording section. So now to change the quality of our recording, tap to picture quality section and switch, for example, from low to medium or to high one. Also, we got one more way how we could launch the screen recording settings. Just open the control panel first and find somewhere here screen record icon. Hold it for a while and you'll launch the same screen recording section. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.